Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Now, you know that copywriting isn't about words, it's about emotion. But how do you actually write copy that grabs attention instantly? That's what we'll cover in Lesson 3, Headlines That Demand Attention. Now, before I proceed further, you know what is the biggest challenge of a copywriter who's just starting? That's the portfolio, that's the sample that you need to show to people, to the clients. And if you don't get fooled by the simplicity of what I'm telling you guys, then trust me, by now you must have three samples at least in your record by working what I've asked you to do so. So don't take it lightly, don't take it very easy. Do what I asked you to do, save that, and get, you can say, the feedback on it by commenting. So let's not waste the time because we want to keep it simple and short. Uh, okay, so have you ever walked past a store window but something suddenly made you stop and look? Or scrolled through your phone about to skip an ad, but the words were so powerful you have to read more? That's the power of a headline. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to know why the headlines are the most important part of your copy, how to write attention grabbing headlines in seconds, and what's the most favorite of each one of us, that you are going to get 22 proven headline templates, just like fill in the blanks, where you just need to drag and drop the words according to your niche, and it will have your headline as a scroll stopper. So don't take it lightly, pay close attention, and you will be able to get 22 proven headline templates for free by the end of this lecture. Okay, and you don't need to worry because you don't need to be a genius for this. I'll give you the exact formula to use so you can simply drag and drop like a child can. Think of headline like your eyes and ears. Your eyes scan quickly to decide what's important. Your ears filter out the noise and focus on what matters. The headline works the same way. It tells your audience this is important, stop and read. Ignore everything else, this is for you. If your headline is weak or boring, the rest of your copy never gets read. It's like having the best message in the world but being completely ignored. Now imagine you are walking down the street hungry, looking for food, and you see two restaurant signs. One says, "We serve food." The other says, "The juiciest, most tender steak you have ever tasted. Guaranteed." Which one makes you stop? Option 2, right? It should. Why? Because it grabs attention and makes you feel something. That's exactly what your headline should do. Your headline, should say every great headline does three things: grabs attention immediately, no fluff, gets straight to the point, speaks to the reader's emotion, and hints at a big benefit, tells the reader why they should care. And the emotions could be like for curiosity, fear, excitement, urgency. So that is something that your headline should do because every great headline does that. Okay, now comes the best part. Here are 22 headline formulas, 22 proven headline formula templates that you can steal right now just by filling the blanks for your product. Now, there are various types. For example, there is curiosity headlines, and you can just drag and drop the word according to your niche. For example, the secret to and the desired result, that unexpected twist. We can write it as the secret to earn $7,000 a month, that requires only 2 hour work per day. For the second one, we can say, you will never believe what happens when you become a digital persuader. Or we can say, when you have a portfolio for copywriting. Another type of headlines could be fear-based headline. For example, if you're still not earning $7,000 a month online, you are making a huge mistake. Or other could be warning, procrastination might be costing you your dream life. It could be benefit driven headline, for example, how to earn $7,000 a month in just 3 months working 2 hours a day. Or it could be for the second one, the easiest way to have time and money independency without working 8 hours a day for 60 years. It could be for urgency and scarcity headlines, for example, only 10 spots left. Grab yours before it's gone. Or it could be, this deal disappears at midnight. Don't miss out. And you can just use all these. I know, you must be thinking that I told that this is going to be 22 headline templates, fill in the blanks, drag and drop, very simple, easy to use. These headline formulas are battle tested, and for any industry, let me be very clear, for any industry, it is going to work because it is battle tested. How you can get it? You must see a link in the comment section as well as in the description below, where you'll simply click, you'll write your name and your email address, and just comment below send. And I'll do that once I get your email, and once I get your message below, I'll for sure send the PDF free of cost that you can start using right now and get the best headline. And even the great copywriters like David Oakley said, you can say 80, I don't remember the figures, but 80 or 98%, or at least 90% of your time should be given to the headline. It is that important. If your headline is not good, your copy won't be good for anyone. Okay, so now another, you can say you have another opportunity to build your portfolio, to build your sample. And I don't want you to be restricted towards the product only. I want you to have various samples. For example, if I'm selling this course and I write a headline, our course is good, buy it today. So I think I told the course is good and buy it today, so I have created urgency. I think I did well. But now you are a great copywriter. You got to know the 22 templates that you can use right now to make this a good one. You can write below, or if you want, I can even share a Google form for it in the description box as well as in the comment section for it, and you can share your headline. What headline should I use to sell this course? Or if I'm just asking for a subscribe, I can say our channel is good, subscribe today. Now you guys need to revamp this headline. You need to change this. You need to repair this headline by using the ideas that you have got to know right now, and the 22 free templates that are with you by now in your inbox. Start that email and start using it. Just drag and drop the words and see how it changes everything. Or one more thing we can do. I'm sorry I wasn't able to write it because this just came into my mind while I'm speaking. That why don't you change the title of this YouTube video and share the best friend? And for sure, I'm going to post a title for my video, and that's how it's going to work. And you can even show that as your sample that I made this change for the title for sure. Okay, that's pretty much it. So awesome job. Now you know that the headlines are eyes and ears of your copy. They grab attention instantly and make people want to read more. But grabbing attention isn't enough. Next, you need to keep your audience hooked and make them feel something strong enough to buy. That's what we will cover in lesson 4, because I want, as I've told you, I'll keep it short and simple. So don't get fooled by its simplicity. I repeat, don't get fooled by its simplicity. So, practice what you have been told to do so and take care. Till then, bye bye.